Hey guys, we're now in the garage looking today. I'm not sure what that garage opener is called. But here's the wall button way up there, but it's kind of high up there now. Let's close it. Let me close it and see what it sounds.
Just push it. There we go.
Really quiet. Now open it back up.
There we go.
There we go. Well, yeah, pretty nice garage opener. It looks like a weird garage opener. I'm not sure what the brand it is. Yeah.
Door
What?
Door command.
Door command. Yeah.
Montgomery Awards.
Door command. This is a door command garage door opener.
All right.
I never seen those openers
That's an
before.
older one. That's an
Yeah.
older one.
Yeah, but I never seen those before. I know it's old.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, buddy. We'll see you in a little bit, okay?
Bye.
Upstairs.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, it's just the charger. This is the cord. It's just the white cord. It's from this. Well, okay, and that's the video. Bye.